Model: 2011 Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase, diesel 2.4 TDCI rear-wheel drive long MOT. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 198,408. MOT: the 23rd of October 2024. Engine: 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission: 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Faulty pressure plate. Van struggles to go into gear with clutch down, easy repair for the right person, not an expensive fix. Remember, this is the bulletproof 2.4 timing chain rear-wheel drive engine, star-struck. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: electric